You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I will be doing a very brief analysis on Polygon Matic and where you should buy for massive profit in the medium term, and also a brief one on BTC. All of these and more in today's video. Watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Matic USDT right here. If you look at this very chart, you discover the market has moved from this very area on the 19th June 2022 up to this very point of 14th August 2022. Okay, so we have a strong, nice move from this area, and right now the market is coming back down. Now, 2 points I have identified that you can make massive profit from on Polygon Matic in this video, and I'm going to show you in a moment. Matic has been one of those coins that have done very well in about 2 months among other coins, and if you buy Matic from this level I'm going to show you, is going to give you a nice return on investment. So if you look at this area, we saw a rising wedge from this very point, and a rising wedge in an uptrend is a bearish continuation pattern. From this very area, we see a rising wedge. This is an uptrend, okay, and a rising wedge in an uptrend is a bearish continuation pattern. So while right here, market rise, rising wedge, and we have this bearish move to the downside. What I am expecting for us to buy Matic is the market to come back down into this area of support. If you look at this area of support, this is where we see this very bullish candle, and this is a bullish engulfing pattern at this very area. After this formation, market move right up and creates new high, and before this other high, then this move to the downside. So when market come back down into this area of support, it will be a nice place to accumulate some Matic from this very area. That means I am expecting the market to move right down into this area, then I will accumulate Matic just like I did at this very point for the market to move to the upside. Then another point that you can accumulate much Matic is at this very point. That means if this point did not hold, this one must hold, and if you accumulate from this very area as well, it will give you a nice return on investment. So once market drop died down into this very area, what you are looking out for is any candlestick pattern or a nice bullish candle with an increase in volume from this area. Market will move to the upside. The same thing, once market come into this very area, you look for any bullish candlestick pattern, and market is going to move from this area to the upside with an increase in volume from this very area. So what you have to do is very simple. If you have 100 USDT, this is one of the investment strategy that I use. If you have 100 USDT, applying your dollar cost averaging, don't use the entire $100 to buy at this very area or at this very point. What you do, you can use $20 or $30 to buy at this very point. The remaining one is left in your account. Then if market drop, for example, you buy at this point with 20 USDT and market drop right down into this level again, you buy again with another 20. Okay, once market begin to move to the upside, then you buy again from this area with another 20. You will discover that with this method of buying, you've already recovered the loss you made from this point, and you are already at break even. Then from there, if markets still move to the upside, which is what I am expecting, you will be in massive profit from buying at this area at the first time, at this area the second time, and at this point the third time. So this is strategy that you can employ right now and in your investment portfolio. And this is not a financial advice, but it is what I use and what have worked for me. So this is what I want to show you today in today's video. So expect a massive explosion in Matic from these two levels. The first one at this level of support, and the second one at this very level of support. If you look at one thing very important right here again, is that if you look at history, from this very point where you see the market move from this area right to this point, we see a good correction here, a little correction at this point. This is where we see another correction from this very point. So market drop from this very area up to this very point. This correction is more bigger than every other correction that we've seen at this very point. That also means that this very level is very, very important to us technically, and that is why I have said if the market come back down into this very level of support, it would be a nice idea to accumulate more Matic from this area, because market have a tendency of moving to the upside. So massive explosion on polygon Matic from this point and this point on the medium term. So take note of this, guys, and it's going to play out. And on BTC here, I am still looking at the market breaking this level. So even though I see market move up, I am not going to place a long or buy position, because I'm expecting market to break on this very level of support. And once that breakout occur, market is going to come down, and a short position from this very level of support after the breakout of this level with a bearish candle that close below every other close within this area is going to be a nice idea for the market to move right down into this level of support. So I am still paying attention to the market moving down after a breakout. Remember, after a breakout of this level, that is a bearish breakout. So that is what I am paying attention to right now on BTC. So the most important analysis today is on polygon Matic. Pay attention to this, guys, and it's going to play out. And if you find the video on this channel helpful, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit, check the description of this video right now and do your registration right away. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.